Happy School Counselor Week. My name's Katie Webb. I work with our Columbus, Central Ohio school counselors as well as Canton. Wanted to say that I am thankful for you all providing the opportunities and resources for your students to pursue higher education. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Keon Camden. I work with Michigan and Union territories and high schools, and I'm thankful for all the high school counselors for their relentless efforts to supply these kids with the resources and knowledge needed to make the necessary decision for themselves when it comes to college.
Hi everyone, it's Shannon Tyler. I'm one of our admissions counselors at BGSU, and I work with students from Dayton and Cincinnati. I'm very thankful for all the personal relationships I've made with my high school counselors over the last few years. And thank you for allowing me in your high schools and meet with your great students.
Hi, my name is Callie Inkra. I work with our students in Cleveland, Akron, and the New York area. And I just wanted to say thank you to you counselors. You really help to build relationships with students and determine their futures and help them to figure out their passions. And that can make a huge difference in our world.
Hi, I'm Chloe Carlton. I work with students in the Detroit public schools and the Columbus City schools. I want to thank school counselors for all the countless hours that you spend outside of the classroom working with our students, especially our diverse population, students with different ability levels. I want to thank you for all the things that you do for me with school bus trips and all the requests I ask. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.
Hi there, my name is Gabe Lamelli. I serve as Assistant Director of Diversity here in the Office of Admissions at BGSU, and I work with students from the Toledo Public Schools, Lorraine area, the Cleveland Municipal School District, and the near east side of Cleveland. I am very thankful for school counselors for all that you do to work with your students, to advocate for them, to connect them with BGSU. I hope that you have a wonderful week because you deserve it.
Hi, I'm Adria Spoon. I serve as Director of Admissions, and happy National Counseling Week. Thank you for what you do for BGSU and what you do for your students. We absolutely could not do this without you, and we appreciate your time, your commitment, and serving your students. Hope you've had a great week.